Hi, I'm Lisa from Cultured Expressions, and I'm here to remind you that there's still time to register for our upcoming SewJourn East Coast. It's happening October 4th through 7th, 2022, in Bluebell, PA, which is about 40 minutes outside of Philly, so it's an easy drive for all of our East Coast friends. And once you get there, we'll be able to sew day and night. We've got a 24-hour common room for our sewing pleasure. We've got gourmet food at the Normandy Farm, and I've got some great guest speakers lined up, retail therapy, two mini workshops that I'll be teaching myself, and just it'll be a great time to immerse yourself in your own projects. You'll have time to just create, have fun, laugh, eat, drink, and we're just going to have a wonderful, wonderful time. Um, and I think that's really all I wanted to remind you. There is time, again, to register. It's getting close, though, so I wouldn't wait too long. And you can get all the details at culturedexpressions.com, where you'll find the brochure. You download it, you fill it out, send it in with your payment, and we'll be all set. So I'm looking forward to seeing you then.